All right, it's the image that has men wanting her, women wanting her shape, though. Perfect picture, actually, behind us right now. We are talking about Pippa Middleton making such a splash at the royal wedding that now there is even a Facebook page just appreciating her derriere. And here to talk about it now, we have cosmetic surgeon Dr. Roger Bassin, who is from the Orlando area, talking about this. So, you know, a lot of people want to be like Pippa in many ways, but this backside has become all the rage lately.
Absolutely. It's something that we've been seeing actually a very big uptick in as of late over the last few years, really with Beyonce and J-Lo with their shape. And this has really kind of confirmed or put another stamp of approval on what we've been seeing in our plastic surgery practice. This is people who want an enhancement for the buttocks.
And it mostly is enhancement, right? Or do they want to have it shaped more properly, shall we say?
Yes, I mean, for you know, you can't do a cookie cutter, so you can't do the same exact thing on everybody.
That would look strange.
Right, everybody's shape is different. We use a procedure that we call NaturalFill, where we take patients' own fat using a procedure we call Aqualipo, where we wash the fat out without causing any damage to the fat cells, and thus the fat cells, when we put them back in, they survive, which is better than the old style fat transfers where the fat was all beaten up, and we can shape them exactly how we want.
And does it go with the trend? You know, you had it right. We've been seeing Beyonce coming on the scene within the past 5 to 10 years. We have Pippa now, ever since the royal wedding. Do the interest of what people want done and the reason why they come to you, has that changed over time, and how so, and with who when they reach the headlines?
Well, it does change, as you know, the popular media really does dictate a lot of the social culture. So we do see upticks once you see something like Pippa and all the media frenzy that's been placed on her backside. So yes, we do get people coming in asking about, yes, I want to look like, you know, her backside and whatnot, and I would like to have more shapeliness, which is something that I personally find is healthy for our society, rather than this skinny, you know, gaunt look. We really want to have a more shapely appearance, and I think that's healthy, and it really is something that we like to, you know, do that's consistent with our patients.
And I'm just curious, because there has to be a fine line for you when you say to someone, okay, you know, A, I can't do this for you, and B, this is your 30th plastic surgery. When do you say, you know, enough is enough for your patients?
Well, when, you know, there's certain type of patient that we call BDD, body dysmorphic disorder. When we have a patient that we feel is somebody who encapsulates that type of really a pathology, where what they look in the mirror is not realistic to really what is the reality of how they look, and they're constantly coming back for more plastic surgery, it's time you got to put the brakes on and say enough is enough. I tell my patients, when your plastic surgeon says it's enough, you really got to, you know, integrate that internally and really listen to that.
All right, Dr. Roger Bassin, thank you so much. World-renowned plastic surgeon, cosmetic surgeon, here with us. Thank you so much. Appreciate it. Mike.